with Engel that this is a good book for them to push communism. Right? And this is, now according to the first law, right, of thermodynamics, matter can only be produced by an outside agency or power. Right? Right? No. It means that energy or matter cannot be created without an external agent. You all understand it? If you say by itself that energy cannot be created or destroyed, then that is God. You all see that? You don't say that. Energy, which is creation, and matter, which is creation, and time, which is creation, and space, which is creation, requires an external agent to do it. So the most powerful tool, scientific tool that you have is that tool which says that. And the second law says, right, that a decay can only be postponed, right, by an activity of an outside agency or power. So that makes sense? And everything decays unless an external agency intervenes, which is what God has the power, and only God could do that. So evolution cannot stand on the first and second law of thermodynamics. Right? Just remember that. Yes. Right. It says that energy and matter can only be produced by an outside agency or power. That is what it really is. Right? And so, for example, everybody knows one of the famous things contributed by Einstein was E is equal to mc squared, right? Even those who talking about the Big Bang Theory, you always hear those silly people talking about E is equal to mc squared on that show. Like that is a big thing for them. But that defeats evolution. Because energy by itself cannot be created. No matter. This just simply means that energy, right, will be produced in an atomic bomb, for example. If this amount of mass was used and you multiply it by the velocity of light squared. So that's a huge, now if you all know about atomic bombs, like they drop on Hiroshima and that. But here what? Entropy tells you that you have plenty waste. Because when you produce energy and other energies are being wasted, you all see that? For example, TNT, power gen, right? You all know power gen. And power gen produces electricity. Let's say they take natural gas, right? What they do, they take natural gas and they burn the natural gas. So they take a hydrocarbon and they crack it. You see when they crack this bond here, you see this chemical bond in here? It has energy stored up in there. So when you crack it, it releases energy. So that energy now is used, right, to heat up water. And the water turns into steam. And then the steam will do something like this now. There's something in TNT, right? Which has coils and things around it here, so, right? And that will turn in something called a magnetic field, a magnet, and they put a coil in there, right? I'm telling you how you get electricity. So when the steam hit this side, it turns it. It's a turbine then, and it rotates it. So while it rotating it, it is turning in a magnetic field. It generates current, and it sends it to a big thing on Rice Road there to distribute it on the power lines, and then a transformer further break it down and bring it into your house. So it's called a step-down transformer, and it break it down and come into your house. When it comes into your house, you light this thing here. But guess what? Second law of thermodynamics says that that light bulb lighted there is wasting energy. Why? Because light alone is not coming out, but heat and friction was created here too. So friction losing energy. So you see, it loses energy along the way. Right? So that is why when somebody say that evolution is true, evolution says that the amount of energy in the universe is fixed unless an external power like God introduce more energy or matter. Because if man tamper with that, it's chaos. Do you know that a little pin of energy from the sun, if you place it in Nova, it will destroy everything 90 miles in this radius? If you take a little pin of solar energy, a pin needle size of the sun, let's say you can take it and bring it to Earth and rest it down in Nova here. Everything 90 miles within this radius will be destroyed. 90 miles within the radius of Trinidad is what? And that's the whole of Trinidad? Because Trinidad is not 90 miles across. Right? So you all see, how could stars condense, right, against the laws of thermodynamics? If something flying away from each other, a big bang, listen to me, just tell somebody who believes in evolution, if you say the Big Bang theory exists, where it gets its bang from? Where did matter come from to give it its bang? That's all. Just remember that. Because it needs matter to create a bang. It can't be nothing, you see? So, I would want to bring Brother West on now, because Brother West is going to.
So they are parading under the guise of science. But what they say is not what? Scientific.
No. Nothing scientific. It is false science. And they complicate the science. So you see, if they're going to teach you about entropy, this is what they will do. They will say, they wouldn't tell you that energy, anybody can understand this, right? Right? Anybody can understand a simple equation like this. Delta S is equal to Q over T. Right? Q is the amount of heat, right, over a temperature. That's a simple equation. A little child will be able to work out that. Right? But no. If they put it in that form, you will see that evolution is wrong. So what they will do, and they're telling you that this is occurring over a closed loop. So you see, they change around the mathematics to tell you that it will basically discourage the average person who has average intelligence in terms of mathematics to work it out. And this right here is a complex idea in mathematics. So instead of giving you the simple one, Q over T, anybody can work out Q over T, like 100 over 5, you could work out that. If Q is 100 and T is 5, and you can work out that, and you will get 20, right? No, it don't make it so simple. They complicate the matter. They complicate ideas. And that is what Brother West was showing last week, that the wisdom of man is foolishness. Because God will work it out and say, but what utter foolishness. Who is the real mathematician in the universe? Eh? We can't even comprehend his ways, the Bible says. Eh? And we can't comprehend his ways. So, this is the Brother West. Well, that's what we're going to do this part now. What we're doing, let me explain everybody. I am going through the scientific parts, and Brother West is going to be introduced, will be given the scriptural parts. So we broke up the thing between us. He's all of this. Look at that scripture. But this is what we're going to do, right? Psalms 19:1, off the top of my head. Let me end that scripture. Psalms 19:1. I ain't reading it. Psalms 19:1. Anybody can read that? Psalms 19 verse 1. Yeah, that's like that's the off the top of my head. I hope it's a relevant scripture.
19 or
9? 1:9. Psalms 1:9 verse 1.
The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork.
That's the scripture?
Yeah.
Eh?
I read verses 2.
Yeah? Is that the scripture? Right? Yes.
Evolution always teach that creation is progressing.
Yes. Becoming more perfect.
So that is like a principle in evolution. Yes. All evolution will show that creation is
Perfecting itself.
it is when it comes ascending,
Yeah.
getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that is a contradiction and relates to they conveniently use certain things.
Yeah.
But if they're going to apply to the morality, look at children, look at this, look, man can't get better, and they need someone to actually control them.
Yeah.
So look at this, it's conspiracy.
When we said when God told that it destroys that, but everything materials,
Yeah.
the house, the clothes,
Everything.
the health, the body, everything materials. So how can creation be continually progressive when you can see the nature of everything material?
It
Doesn't make sense.
And what is the best example God used in the wilderness to show us that he could defy the law of thermodynamics? So anybody remember? In the wilderness? Eh? The clothes did what?
Amen.
You all see that? It did not deteriorate. So he's showing him that he has control over the laws. And all his laws are perfect. Not only the 10 Commandments is perfect, but also the laws of nature is also perfect. Jump from that way and right there. You'll go up. Don't try it. You'll get in trouble.
Yes.
Yeah. And that is what the devil wanted to do. The devil told Jesus to jump. He wanted to test the law of gravity out. No, the law of disobedience. Eh? Jesus wanted, Satan wanted Jesus to disobey.
A question?
Yes.
Yes, brother. Well, all of them doing good and said, what I want to say is that, rest in peace, is that it is because of the faith of Jesus which we have, which we obtain, why we can be able to delineate, or the reason you can delineate all of this evolution, because I don't really consider it to be evolution, but evolution. But on the other hand, to sit in a class where the embodiment of evolution is being taught, and you are now being led to imbibe all of this, it is something different. You have to have the faith of Jesus to stay the wind of evolution, because when before majority of my friends who have matriculated to university, who did sciences, and maybe that's one reason why I didn't do science, because I felt as if they were teaching things that were not of the faith of Jesus, the faith of God. And those who have matriculated to university, my friends, and who have done the sciences, majority of them, 9 out of 10 of them, They don't believe in God. You understand? And this is the kind of cynical view that they have, and the cynical view that they have about God. So it is the faith of Jesus, that we must have, that will stay the wind of evolution.
Amen. 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 I agree with that. Because that is what the West presentation is harmonizing with and focusing on. My presentation is just focusing on defeating them with their own folly, and then defeating them with the faith. So it's called a two-pronged attack. So we are attacking them with their own knowledge, and then we are giving them the faith that will hopefully convert them. And at the end of the day, we want to fulfill what is done, what is said for us to fulfill in Matthew 28, verse 19, right? That if we must do it, right? And we must baptize them. So this is not necessarily only an attack to look good or to make them feel incompetent or anything alone. We want to remove that seat that is sitting on and pull it under them and convert them.
No, that was one thing, like, you know, like when I deal with that evolution, so after being enlightened, so what I'm debating, you enlighten them. When I'm debating more, you enlighten more. And eventually that's when we balance it more. In other words, our evolutionists have this kind of mindset, right? And I have to talk very quickly about it in a concise way, right? That was this type of mindset, right? Naturally from before, right? Before they even get education, they have a proud, right, disposition, an arrogant disposition, a self-centered disposition, and then after that, what the prophet of man to gain the whole world and lose his own soul disposition, which is materialism, right? Which is like entrepreneurship kind of mentality, right? Which is covetousness and greediness. And with that, our next state of mind that have denied the intervention of God, right? And with that, they like to make excuses, right? When it is that they get their retribution, or the world getting retribution, they don't like to say the wages of sin is death, the gift of God is eternal life. They like to say, why God do that? So in other words, that is a means to escape. Right? So really, genuinely, if it is just talk genuine scriptures and just show sinfulness, we just get to them no more. They're going to tell you, don't talk scripture, but don't study about them. It just touching particular things about the self. You know, but generally that basically, and then after you can touch science if you want to, but it's according. That mix it up, that'll be real colorful and enlightening. You know, that basically.
Okay, but